back to Eyes on Digital, reporting to you live from Boise, Idaho. I'm Abby Scott, and today our topic is going to be talking about how to handle public relations during high-stress times. Here are a few things that I want you to keep in mind when it comes to crisis within your company. You need to stay cool, calm, and collected. Professionalism is key in these types of situations. Next, make sure to be transparent with your clients. Trust and honesty goes a long way. And finally, remember to simply just show empathy. Being personal helps you connect with your community in more ways than one. Remember to not show panic, because then your audience will panic as well. For more information on public relations and what to do in a communication crisis, please check out our website, getsocialized.com, and we'll see you next time here at Eyes on Digital.